Go High Level tutorial. Welcome to this Go High Level tutorial. If you're a marketer, agency owner, or an entrepreneur looking for an all-in-one marketing and sales automation platform, you're in the right place. Go High Level combines CRM, email marketing, automation, funnel building, and more into a single powerful tool. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Go High Level, how it works, its key features, pros and cons, and how to maximize its potential for your business. Now, before we get started, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and take a look at what is Go High Level. Basically, Go High Level is a marketing automation and CRM platform designed to help businesses streamline lead generation, sales, and customer retention. Unlike standalone tools like ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, or HubSpot, Go High Level integrates multiple functionalities under one subscription, making it cost-effective for businesses and agencies. Basically, it's widely used for digital marketers, agencies, and local businesses who need automation, funnels, and customer relationship management, or as short as CRM, without juggling multiple software tools. Basically, this is an all-in-one tool that we can go ahead and use. Now, the key features of Go High Level is the CRM and pipeline management. You can go ahead and track leads, manage contract, and automate follow-ups. You can then go ahead and create sales pipeline to visualize customer journeys. Second, you have your landing page and funnel builder. Similar to ClickFunnels, it also allows users to create sales funnels and opt-in pages. It includes a drag and drop functionality for easy design. For our next feature, we have email, SMS, and voice marketing. You can go ahead and automate email sequences, send text messages, and even leave pre-recorded voicemails. Basically, this helps businesses to follow up with leads without manual effort. And then we have our automation and workflow builder. You can set up complex workflows like follow-up sequences, appointment reminders, and lead nurturing. You can just go ahead and do that inside their dashboard. Now for our next feature, it's going to be the website and membership site builder. You can basically create full websites and membership area for online courses or exclusive content, similar to Kajabi or Teachable, but included in Go High Level plans. Now you also have the appointment booking system. It has a built-in calendar system to schedule meetings and sync appointments with your Google Calendar. It's great for service-based businesses needing to streamline scheduling. With the next one, we have white labeling for agencies. Marketing agencies can rebrand Go High Level with their own logo and sell it as a custom solution. It allows agencies to offer software as a service, which is the SaaS. You have your reputation management and reviews. You can basically collect and manage online reviews from Google, Facebook, and other platforms. It helps businesses improve credibility and social proof. With our next feature, it's going to be call tracking and analytics. You can track inbound and outbound calls for better lead management. It provides data-driven insights on customer interaction. And lastly, we have social media management. You can schedule and manage posts for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. It includes automation for engagement and lead capture. Now, before we proceed to the step-by-step tutorial, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of using Go High Level. Now, for pros, it is an all-in-one platform. As you have heard, there are a lot of features that you can go ahead and use for this single tool right here. This eliminates the need for multiple tools, saving cost. You have powerful automation. You have advanced workflows for marketing, sales, and customer engagement. For another pros, it's going to be white labeling option. It's perfect for agencies who want to resell software. You have your lead generation and CRM, integrated tools to capture, nurture, and convert leads. And lastly, scalability. It's suitable for small businesses and large marketing agencies alike. Now, there are only three cons about this tool, and it's going to be the learning curve. Beginners might find the system complex at first. For pricing, monthly cost can be higher compared to the standalone tools, but the value is great. And lastly, you have your limited free trial. Unlike other software, GoHighLevel offer doesn't go ahead and take a long trial period. And so to get started with GoHighLevel, all you have to do is navigate through their website. From here, click on Login to App, and basically you need to go ahead and create your own account. And from there, you will be able to choose the plan that your business needs. Right after, you want to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. You want to explore the navigation panel, funnels, automation, CRM and appointment, booking, and more. You want to configure settings like branding, team members, and integrations. From there, you can then go ahead and set up CRM and sales pipeline. You want to import contacts and set up lead pipeline to track customer interaction. You can then create automated workflows for emails and SMS follow-up. As I've mentioned previously, it's as easy as dragging in some icons to your own dashboard to create your own automation. Now for integrations and expandability functionality, GoHighLevel seamlessly integrates with Stripe, PayPal, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Calendary, Zapier, and more. This means you can automate payments, ad campaigns, and appointment bookings without switching between different platforms. Now, the best practices for maximizing GoHighLevel is to get the most out of the features that they offer. Regulatory updates on your automations is really important. You want to monitor campaign performance and A and B test two different strategies. You want to optimize your CRM by segmenting leads and personalizing interactions between customer behavior. Now, in conclusion, GoHighLevel is a powerful all-in-one marketing and automation platform that replaces multiple tools and simplifies business operation. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or agency, it offers CRM automation, funnel building, and SMS or email marketing all in one place. While it has a steep learning curve, once mastered, it can drastically improve lead generation, sales, and client retention. Now, if you're interested in trying GoHighLevel, start with your free trial to explore the features for yourself. Let me know in the comments below, are you using GoHighLevel or do you prefer another automation tool? And so, if this video has been helpful, please leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.